I'm Anil Kumar, and now we have some practice test questions for you to find general solution for trigonometric ratios, I should say. And these will help you to solve trigonometric equations. Now the first one is sin x equals to minus 2 over 7. The other one is cos x equals to 3 over 5. Now I will do one of them for you. Let me take up sin x equals to minus 2 over 7 and I will explain you all the steps. So the first step for us is to analyze. We analyze using the cast rule to figure out when will sine be negative, right? So what we do here is you have to, this is the cast rule. You can write CAST, right? Well, some of us working in other places, the same rule, they'll say all silver teacup. So that means all are positive, sine is positive, tan is positive, cosine is positive. Or you can say cast rule, cosine, all, sine, and tan. Either way, you know now, sine is negative in which quadrants? Sine is negative in quadrant 3 and 4. So we are looking for solution in quadrant 3 and in quadrant 4. So that is the analysis which we get from the cast rule. Now what we really find is we'll say sine A or sine alpha equals to 2 over 7. So what I'm saying is find acute angle. Acute angle will be angle in quadrant 1, which is always going to be positive, right? So let us say we have an angle which is kind of here. So this is what we'll find, and we'll find this using calculator, right? So we do shift sine inverse within bracket. Don't use negative sign, okay? Just 2 over 7. 2 divided by 7, which is equal to 16.60. So from here we get alpha equals to sine inverse of 2 over 7, which is 16.60. So that's the acute angle. So we got this angle, which is, let me write here, 16.60 degrees. But the real solution we are looking for are for minus 2 over 7, which will be in quadrant 3 or in quadrant 4 for sine. So when we say quadrant 3 or 4, what do we mean? We mean that the principal angle for these cases is 180 plus alpha, or it is 360 minus alpha, because this is equal to the acute angle, right? So we have two different solutions here. The first one is 180 plus alpha, right? So which is 180 degrees plus 16.60 degrees. The other one is 360 degrees minus alpha, which is 360 degrees minus 16.60, right? So that you can use calculator again and find your answer. So you get 180 plus 16.6 equals to, in decimals, 196 plus 6.6. And the other one is 360 minus 16.6, right? So that is equal to, in decimals, 343.4. So that becomes your solution for one cycle, or this is between when the angle is between 0 to 360 degrees, correct? But we want to find general solution, right? So how will you find general solution? So that is the next step. So the next step is general solution. So general solution means that x belongs to real numbers. So that is what we mean by general solution. Since we know sine is periodic and the time period is how much? 360 degrees. So all these solutions are going to repeat after multiples of 360, and therefore we have two general solutions. The first one is x1, which is equals to 196.6 plus n times 360 degrees, right? The other one is, we can say, 343.4 degrees plus n times 360 degrees, right? So you can write like this, or you could also write 360n, right? So that becomes your general solution. I hope you understand and appreciate these steps. Follow these steps and find the solution for cos x equals to 3 over 5. And of course, using the cost rule, you know cos x is positive in these two quadrants. So one of the solution is the acute angle itself. The other one is 360 minus acute angle. And then generalize it as we did for sin x. I hope that helps. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot more. Thank you and all the best.